derivative of f dash of x, of f of x, x to the n minus a to the n divided by x minus a. Find f dash of x in சொல்றாங்க. First, this is of the form u by v, correct? So f of x is of the form u by v. So f dash of x என்ன first இந்த மாதிரி formula எழுதிருங்க. vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. What is your u? X to the n minus a to the n. What is your v? X minus a. So இப்போ u dash என்ன வரும்? nx to the n minus 1 minus an is nothing but a constant, so it becomes 0. nx to the n minus 1. v dash or derivative என்ன? x or derivative is 1 minus 0, so it is 1. So now let's substitute it in the formula. F dash of x, what do you get? v u dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So what do you get? v u dash. What is your v? X minus a times u dash, which is nx to the n minus 1 minus uv dash. What is your u? xn minus an. xn minus a to the n. v dash. What is your v dash? 1 divided by x minus a the whole square. எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒரு bracket போட்டுருங்க, இல்லாட்டி you'll miss the sign. So what do you have? First இதை multiply பண்ணுறேன். xn to the xn minus 1. இங்கே x ஓட power 1, இங்கே x ஓட power n minus 1. So what do you get in total? You get n x to the n minus an x to the n minus 1. an x to the n minus 1 minus, இப்போ நான் அந்த bracket open பண்ண போறேன். minus x to the n, minus into minus plus. So minus x to the n plus a to the n divided by x minus a the whole square. This is the formula. Okay. So I'll give you a list of all the functions and its respective derivatives. Do note this down, it will be very, very helpful. So this is the function, this is the derivative. So what do you have? When you have f of x plus g of x, it just becomes the sum, f dash of x plus g of x. Same applies for subtraction. So what will happen when it's multiplication? F of x times g of x. I am writing this as u times v. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? vu dash plus uv dash. When it's f of x divided by g of x, which is nothing but u by v, we have vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. Okay, v எப்பவுமே first வரும் with no derivative. Okay, the function itself. So this is for division. What do you have? X to the n, nx to the n minus 1. Next you have என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு? sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, cosecant x. These are the trigonometric functions. So sin x க்கு derivative is cos x. Cos x க்கு minus sin x. Tan x க்கு secant square x. இப்போதான் போன சம்ல பார்த்தோம், it is secant square x. Cot x க்கு minus cosecant square x. Cosecant x க்கு minus cosecant x cot x. அதாவது c எங்கெல்லாம் வருதோ அதுக்கெல்லாம் நெகட்டிவ் டெரிவேட்டிவ் அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. cosecant x. Next secant x க்கு we have secant x tan x. வந்து root x, இது நம்ம பெருசா பார்க்க மாட்டோம், but just know them. Okay, e to the x ஓட derivative is e to the x. ln x ஓட derivative, ln x is nothing but natural logarithm of x. ln x ஓட derivative is 1 by x. Okay, exercise 13.2, question number 9, fifth subsection. X to the minus 4 times 3 minus 4x to the minus 5. This is of the form u times v. So what is your u? X to the minus 4. What is your v? 3 minus 4x to the minus 5. So u dash another, according to our formula, x to the n order derivative is nx to the n minus 1. So n minus 4, x to the minus 4 minus 1, which is nothing but minus 5. b dash and 3 order derivative is 0 minus 4 அப்படியே இருக்கும் times 5 கீழே வருமா minus 5, x to the minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. The bracket எதுக்கு போடுறோம்? Minus into minus plus ஆகுது. So what do you have? 5 4s are 20 times x to the minus 6. So what will be your f of x? F dash of x will be du dash plus uv dash. So what is your vu dash? Vu dash is nothing but minus 4x to the minus 5 times 3 minus 4x to the minus 5 plus uv dash is nothing but x to the minus 4 20 times x to the minus 6. So what do you have? 4 3s are 12. Minus 12 x to the minus 5. Minus into minus plus. So it is 16 x to the minus 10. Minus 5 minus 5 another. Minus 10. Plus you have 20 times x to the minus 10. So what do you have in total? You have minus 12 x to the minus 5. Here plus 16 plus 20 x to the minus 10 x to the minus 10. So you have the same coefficients. So 16 plus 20 enago plus 36 x to the minus 10. So what is your final answer? Minus 12 divided by x to the 5 plus 36 divided by x to the 10.